morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Eva and I'm so excited to be hosting this year's Spelling Bee competition. I would like to welcome everyone and congratulate our contestants participating in today's competition. Please remember, you are all winners. It's important to feel proud of yourselves and your accomplishments just as much as we are of you. I would like to welcome my friend Aska on stage for saying a speech about spelling bees.
My name is Aska. Today I would like to present a speech from Koshish School. So let's get started. But first of all, I hope you're having a great day. As you know, today is Spelling Bee Day. Some people may wonder why is Spelling Bee important, so let's see why. Spelling Bee is an activity that most schools do. The benefits of Spelling Bee extend beyond language since children are required to stay on stage while spelling words. Kids also develop self-confidence, communication, and public speaking skills, and the ability to thrive under pressure. And other benefit, their speaking skills and spelling skills will be twice better. And there's more benefit. Another thing, Spelling Bee is not about winning, it's about having fun. It's okay if you don't win. Next time, work harder. Good luck and stay happy. But don't forget that knowledge and science are important too.
Hello everyone, my name is Dia. Today I will be talking about Spelling Bee's rules. We actually have a lot of rules, but for today, I'm going to talk about the 3 important rules that everybody must follow in this competition. First, I would like to say my first rule at you, the audience. Please, it's very important to maintain silence and do not make your friend nervous. Let's start. Rule number 1, say the word before spelling it to make sure they understand. Rule number 2, say the word slowly and carefully. Rule number 3, repeat the word again after spelling it. And I hope everybody follows these rules in this competition. What's this?
Holmes wants people to think he's at home when he isn't.
Why?
Enter Holmes. Because a man is trying to attack me, Watson.
Who?
Sebastian Moran. Write it down, Watson. Writing in his notebook.
This is too dangerous. I will stay with you, Holmes.
Because I haven't found out where the diamond is yet. Moran stole it and a man called Sam Merton helped him. Take this note to the police. They will come and arrest Moran, but before they do, I'll find out where the diamond is.
In danger.
T-O-R-A-N?
I'm sorry, that is incorrect, darling.
A-T-T-A-C-N. H-A-H-E-B-I-T-A-T.
That is correct.
I-E-S-E.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry. That is incorrect. Thank you.
B-R-U-S-I-E.
That is correct.
W-A-S-H-I-N-G space L-I-N-A.
That is correct.
B-R-E-E-D.
That is correct.
E-S-T-I-N-C-T.
That is correct.
Issue, your word is threat.
Correct?
Can you pronounce it?
Correct. T-H-R-E-A-T.
That is correct.
B-U-P-P-E-T.
That is correct. Thank you.
B-I-C-N-I-K. C.
That is incorrect. I'm sorry, Mila.
Can I try?
I'm sorry, Mila.
A-V-I-A-R-Y.
That is correct. Thank you. Your word is traffic.
T-R-A-F-F-I-C.
That is correct.
C-A-R
see.